Hey everybody, so we are going to make some Italian sausages with peppers and onions tonight because I have 4 buns left, and this comes with 4 sausages. These are uncured, all natural, no antibiotics, all that stuff, the good sausages. So we're going to do sausage and peppers tonight and a salad. So while we're able, we still try to eat as healthy as possible. The better meats and fresh vegetables and I do try to work in some of these packaged foods just so our bodies can get used to it, but still try to add healthy foods to it. So I've added a little olive oil. Oops. These look like they got squished a little and made them short. They're short and stubby. I would tell a story about that, but it's probably not appropriate. So we're going to get those started. I don't think so. There's a net in here. So we're going to get those started. I got more cucumbers out of the garden today. I need to go water. So I'll do that while the sausages cook. Have half an onion and half a bell pepper. So we will slice them up and get them ready. And this will be enough for both of us to have dinner and his lunch tomorrow. And then with the salad, we'll have our garden tomatoes, some avocado. I could go pick a bell pepper. Bell pepper's coming in. I had to move them from this patio to the other one because they were getting blistered in the blazing heat. So those are ready. add them towards the end. So we're just going to let these cook until they're brown and cook through. And then we will add our veggies and I will make a salad. Easy peasy dinner. Alrighty, we've got them browned up there. Got the yard watered. I either have more cantaloupe coming or watermelons. I should take you guys outside to see the burned up garden, but I have the weirdest watermelon growing you've ever seen. It's not quite shaped like a watermelon, I'll tell you that. Guess the heat has done very odd things to vegetables and fruits. But I'll eat it no matter what. So there's our peppers and onions. And I'm just going to let that saute for a little bit and make our salad. Okay, so we're going to assemble the plate. Here's the salad. It has lettuce, avocado, homegrown tomato, cheese, bacon bits, and croutons. I got his bun ready with some mustard. So what we are going to do since these are short and stubby, but they're fat, I'm going to cut it in half and two. See, that way it fills the bun. Then we'll take peppers and onions. And there we have it. Super easy. Sausages, peppers, onions, and a salad with whatever you want on it. So, just thought I would share tonight's dinner. Use up what you have. Waste not, want not. And yeah, eat well. So, I hope you all are doing well. You stay safe, you stay healthy, you stay cool. And I will see you in the next video.